Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to change change to dark theme in NinjaTrader, then this video is for you. So if you have the NinjaTrader desktop application, then you can follow these steps from here. The first step is go to the control center. Then you can find the tools here. After going to the control center, you can find the tools. Then go to the settings at the very bottom here. After going to the settings, you can find a general section where you can find the preferences. Now you have to expand this preferences section, and you can find the skin. So after click on this skin, you can the skin drop down on the right. You click on it, and you can find a drop down from here. Then step 3 is click OK and then restore the NinjaTrader desktop app for the changes to take effect. So you have to simply click on this dark. You can find dark, light, NinjaTrader dark, any of them. So you can choose NinjaTrader dark or only dark mode, or the state dark here. So one of these three modes here to turn your NinjaTrader application in dark mode, just like this. It will look like this very the NinjaTrader dark theme, it's look like this, and only the slate dark theme like this, and only the dark theme will look like this. So you can choose one of them from here, then simply click on OK, and it will save this theme for you on NinjaTrader application. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.